Hi, welcome to episode 12. Today we'll be going over networking on LinkedIn. And before I really jump into that, I just want to say, thank you for all the support and feedback, comments on some of the things I should, do to improve, and just the overwhelming support. It just really gives me encouragement to continue doing this. So let's get started. LinkedIn. I don't know about you, but I get a lot of these messages when I first, they send me a connection, and they all of a sudden send me this essay, like paragraphs long, of like what they do and what they offer and how they're going to help me. That isn't necessarily how you make a connection. I don't know about you, but those are the messages where like, oh, okay, well, I'm just going to ignore this guy or this person. And sometimes I go as far as I just say, you know what, I'm just going to disconnect them, because they're not really here to add any value or really even want to have a normal conversation. Instead, they're just spamming me with information, which, don't worry, trust me, I have plenty of that. So what I recommend when networking with individuals, just like anywhere else, you don't walk into a party and just send them their whole, give someone your whole life story. Just talk to them. Say, hey, hi, how you doing? How can I help? Let's connect. Let's grab a cup of coffee. It's not complicated. Don't make it more difficult than it is. So hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.